So one fun way to practice making slabs is by rolling out sugar cookies. So we made our sugar cookie dough. I have some flour on my counter so the dough doesn't stick to the counter. And I put my dough on there. I'm just gonna sprinkle a little bit of flour on top. Okay, and I'm gonna press it down to start getting it a little flat. I'm using the palm of my hand. And these are my kids over here, they're helping. And when I roll it, I want my dough to be nice and flat, to make a nice flat slab. And I'm gonna stop when it's about as thick as my pinky. So I'm gonna roll it forward and backward. And after I roll one direction, then I'm going to turn my rolling pin and roll the opposite direction. So now I'm going to one side and the other side. Go across the whole thing. Now I'm gonna turn back and go the first direction I went, rolling forward and back. And that's about as thick as my pinky, and my dough is nice and flat. It's even the whole way around. Yep, it's about the same thickness all the way across. Then I can cut out cookies and bake them. I'll make some big ones. Find some that fit. Thanks, bud. And then we will put them on our cookie tray and we will bake them. Much.
Because you gave me too much. I'm making a homemade one too.
Can I use this, please?
Anybody tell?
The stamp things are cool, aren't they?
Okay, Bailey, stop pushing it. You need to roll it now gently.
I'm trying to make this batch of mine done and soon, okay? That's why I'm rolling it really fast. Walla, 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 walla.
You're doing good. I won't roll it anymore. Don't roll it anymore.
Okay.